very first installment of things I find in my fridge. And today, I have a special treat prepared for you. All you beauty gurus need to know about the Eggy Cream Surprise. And the Eggy Cream Surprise is a really fun hair mask that I learned at Walmart. That's a very high-end cosmetic store. I had some lady in the this flaky grain aisle taught me how to do this, and it was great. And I still use it. It makes my hair soft and fluffy. So when you do the Eggy Cream Surprise, rather than eat the eggs whole, you use these little friends and you break them on your face, and then you rub them on your face because these are really good for your skin. And your skin is delicate. You need to use eggshells to exfoliate the bad pieces of skin. So eggs are good for that. And then she recommended this really nice skin cream that needs to be refrigerated. It's like really high end. I was told it's Louis Vuitton. I can't read. Yeah, it's good for your hairs and it's good for your neck skin and other skin. You should do this nude, but I'm not going to. Anyways, I'm gonna point out on this. This has a beautiful picture of eggs, and that makes it's gonna combine well. She told me that if you don't combine the Louis Vuitton white
body
with eggs, you will get napkin skin, and napkin skin is bad because napkin skin it will make your face look like a napkin, and if your face looks like a napkin, then little children will run around with their dirty little hands and wipe them on you, and you know what? You will be covered with not only grease, salt, and probably gummies. You will be covered in boogers. And do you want to be covered in boogers? Do you want some old man to blow his nose on your face? I think not. So always make sure to do this, plus this, and then you have a beautiful face mask. All right, so shall we? All right, so we have the first egg. Now, the Eggy Cream Surprise gets 5 eggs total. So this is the first egg. We're gonna start with the hair. So we're gonna like crack them on our head. And if the egg yolk drops on the floor, you pick it up. Okay, so we're gonna use the floor egg because I'm not always full little bitch. All right, so here we go. It smells yummy. And the eggshells give you texture. By the way, I definitely recommend doing this naked because it's better to do it naked.
In the arms
Ow. And now you're covered in eggs. So now we get the body cream. You get the body cream. I have no idea what this says because I can't read. You get a glove on hand and then you put it on your body. First I apply it to my neck. Since that's the only part of my body that's exposed, I'm gonna put it in my hair. comes the egg.